new video, and today we will be starting our first Roblox series. So we are on an obby and we are playing Escape McDonald's. So joining me today, sadly not virtually or in person, but digitally, is my awesome friend. Cause I can't speak today. So yeah. So you'll be able to hear her voice, but not exactly see her in the game or in person. But we'll still play. And we just got killed. I'm very sorry, you guys. I'm being horrible. So, again, we're playing an obby, which is it's basically Roblox parkour, and I can't even get through the first bit, which is pretty embarrassing. But still, we're going to be playing it. Now you just made me foul. That was so amazing. So for our next video, I'm not gonna spoil on what it's on, like what we'll be doing, but it's going to be, we're going to be playing Roblox again, and we're going to be playing a new server. And in the comments, I'm going to give you guys a hint right now, and whoever guesses it in the comments, their name, and I will do and enter a request for a game. Excuse me. So she's lying. I cannot sing to save my life. I'm sorry, guys. I really can't. So I'm gonna give the riddle. I am trying to finish this parkour. Why can't I do it? So after I finish this, and whoever guesses it in the comments, I'll check. They will also suggest a game, and in the video after the next one, in the third video, that game will be featured, and a shout out to them will be on that video. So good luck to you guys. So I think we can do it now. I think we can. Wait, is this? Is this gravy? It's like French fries. So this is like, these are like French fries, but like the water is brown. Like it's just gravy. Okay, we can make this jump. We almost just fell, you guys. Okay. And yes, we made it. So here's the riddle for the next server. So I'm gonna give a hint. It's the next obby. So this is a place you go when you're seriously hurt, like if you break a bone. So, and if you guys can guess what the name of it, like the exact name of it is, you just like say, I'm gonna give an example. This isn't it. Say it's like a dentist, like say dentist obby. You guys could get it right. I could not hear you. Then you go speak up. You're about to choke yourself. Be very, very careful. She's gonna kill herself right now, you guys. So stay tuned to see if she kills herself right now. Looks like we're. So right now we're on. Let me just check ketchup and mustard checkers. And my guy, you guys on Roblox. My name is Brittany Parker, same as YouTube, but I'm referred to on YouTube as Brittany Games. So remember that. Now we're on spilled soda. What kind of soda is this? It's like surprisingly, I really don't go to McDonald's that much. Like I barely ever. The last time I went was like 5 years ago. Good for you. Oh my gosh, the ice is flipping. What did I expect? What else did I expect? Just the free ice. But like usually they don't have it. Sorry guys, I'm getting very distracted. You guys will probably want to see. Oh, this looks like mud. Rubbish. Well, this parkour is a lot easier than Minecraft parkour. If you guys agree with me, just say yes in the comments. And if you don't have to say like yes 1,000 times, you can just, I'll type the comment and you guys can just give it a thumbs up. Oops. Oh. Yeah, oops. You guys, I was just really dumb. That was just dumb. What is this this even called spilled sauces. So if you guys play this map and we don't get to finish today, I will make a second video. And hopefully, my friend here, will be able to record with us. So, yeah, we were just killed. Oh, next one is burgers. If you guys can see that. Okay, this is really hard.
Wait, are you with multiple people while you're playing this? I can see.
Yeah, I'm with multiple people. Check out the video when it's posted. Sorry guys, I'm getting really sidetracked. I apologize. Yup. That's fine. Okay, I don't know how to do this. Okay. No! We clipped the edge! Okay guys, I'm gonna tell you some obvious I've done actually. Because my friend here is unable to download Roblox due to computer issues. Excuse us for a second. Is that your new song?
Yes, but I need to tell you something. If anybody can guess your name, they get to pick that.
Oh, okay, fine, you guys. If you can guess my middle name, but no hints will be there. No hints, cause my middle name, I actually like it, but it's not really. It's kind of a common middle name, but not like a regular name that you hear every day, like Bella or Elizabeth or something like that. It's not any of them. So good luck guessing, you guys. And secretly, we're not gonna do that, cause no, this is not how it's gonna go. Sorry, guys, no. Yeah, but still. Wait, what are we on? Okay, which fry? Oh, this is. Yeah, that's not the fry. That's not it. No, it's like you gotta choose which fry is the correct one to go on, so you don't fall. So guys, we can do this. I believe in us. I believe. So let's try the left. Yes, lefty works. Okay, we're gonna have to do. Why is so much like what the heck? I don't understand. I don't see a name like this. I just died. Too bad. Watch the video, right, you guys? Right? Yeah. They agree with me. The fans agree. You guys, she's not even British, so she can't do that. Just time out then, no. Right, you guys more. How did I get the wrong fry again? Why are you acting so crazy on camera? She's trying to be amusing, you guys. I apologize. How did I just... I believe some invisible ghost just pushed me off. I believe it. I believe it. There are no people here. Literally, there's no people. I have no idea what you said, so I'm very confused. But yeah, you guys. So next video, the hint is you go, like, say you broke your arm, you go there to get it fixed, or you can't really get a broken arm fixed. You really get it examined, and hopefully get it like patched up so it can be healed. I'm sorry, I don't really know because I've never broken a bone before, so I'm sorry. I don't know. If you broke your arm or leg, but that would be quite bad luck. You get like a back brace. Okay, why are we talking about this? It's just weird. Really? It was the left one. Why don't it was the right? Right. Oh great, there are two people here. You know what? I hate about this because I'm